Hello everyone, in this video we are solving part 3rd and 4th of question number 2nd. In this part also you have to find the value of P0, P1 and P2. In this case, first of all you have to find the value of P0, means the value of x is 0, so 0 raised to power 3 is basically 0. In the second part you have to find the value of P1. So the value of x is 1, so 1 cube is 1. In third part, we have to find the value of 2. So the 2 cube, because the value of x is 2, is basically 8. So the value of P0, P1 and P2 is 0, 1 and 8. In this case, first of all, you have to find the value of P0, means the value of, so this will be minus 1 and this will be positive 1, and so this will be 1 multiplied by 1 is 1 and minus multiplied by plus is minus. In second case, you have to find the value of P1, so the value of, so this will be 0 and this will be 2, and 0 multiplied by 2 is 0. In third part, you have to find the value of P2. So the value of x is basically 2 minus 1 and 2 plus 1. So this is 1 because 2 minus 1 is 1 and 2 plus 3 is 3. So the value must be 3. So in this case, the value of P0 is minus 1, P1 is 0 and P2 is 3. Thank you.